Welcome back. Congress is like a sweet poison to Muslim community. President of BJP's minority cell Sheikh Jinnah claimed this at a release function of the Ramzan calendar for Goa. He said that the BJP is now approaching the people from minority community who had moved away from the party in the past.
Congress, मोयरांचो एक तो खतरनाक दुश्मन. He is the sweet poison Congress. मोयरा काबार करपी party एकूच Congress.
The calendar mentioning the timing of Ramzan was released on Saturday. The calendar has a BJP party photo printed on it. Sheikh Jinnah had earlier opposed Churchill's photo on the card released for Muslims.
I didn't put my photo. I didn't put my BJP, some leaders' photo and all. What we are saying, we want to go to people like Muslims, though they are against with the BJP and all. We are going. So we are the distinct opinion, so we have to go on.
For the first time in Goa, the timing on the calendar have been changed by Al Hina Trust in Mapsa.
This timing is based on Al Hira Trust from Mapsa. त्यांच्यानी टायमिंग फर्स्ट टाइम गोंयान केला. नमाजा टायमिंग आनी रमजाना टायमिंग आनी तांचे कडल्यान आमी घेवन ये आनी ते त्यांचे व्हडले व्हडले मौलानाज भायल्यान येवन ताका चेकअप करून दिला.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent Media.
The newly elected Goa Cricket Association panel has a lot of new faces, but all the new members have been associated with the GCA in some way or the other. Big guns like Chetan Desai, Akbar Mullah and Dr. Shekhar Salkar have found a way back on GCA's managing committee. Chetan Desai feels justice has been done to him after he claims he was ousted by Dayanand Narvekar wrongly. Looking ahead, Dr. Shekhar Salkar says managing committee will look for land for a stadium in the next 6 months and complete work before 2015.
20 points of your manifesto which you said, which is the first you feel you all can hit at the most?
See, there are two ways of corruption in association. One is financial corruptions, which will put an end to that immediately. We will have a e-tendering system and other things. We will have a financial discipline. We will bring one financial officer. Financial frauds and all we can avoid. Second important part is the frauds and corruption in the cricketing itself. Like भुरग्यांक सारखे सिलेक्शन करपाचे, जे बरो खेळटा ताका भायर मारपाचे जे पयलीं हें आशिल्लें. So we will see to it that one who plays good will always play for the state.
What about the stadium? How fast can we see it?
Stadium depends on the land available. So first we want to complete, our target is 3 years. Provided we should get 1.2 lakhs of plain place in and around Panjim area. It is very little difficult, but we will try to see that because we have already seen 2-3 places. If they come through within the next 6 months, then actually construction takes 2 years. We won't depend on the government to give us land or subsidize the land and all, because then government has say in the matter, and we'll see to it that by 2 years, by 3 years completion of this term of ours, we will have a full-fledged stadium in place, and we can start having one-day internationals.
You feel after your ouster in 2010, the truth or the justice has prevailed for you because you are now back to where you belonged in the GCA?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, my ouster was one-man show. It was because of one person who decided that I should not be there. Although my work was going very smoothly, and I had done tremendous effort towards the development of cricket. The result of under 16, under 19 during that time was fantastic. But now we need a lot of improvement towards this game, especially under these areas.
You feel now development can come for the good for the cricketers, your stadium can come up. Shashank Manohar has always said buy your own land. You feel now this panel, this committee can do that?
Yeah, definitely. With the help of the CM, I think we can procure a land, and even if there is a land elsewhere, then we can buy that land also and try to build our own stadium so that we don't have any hitch toward the government, except for the public opposition, of course.
A sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Porvorim.
The first Shravani Sunday was celebrated by Goans with fervor. On this day, married women worship the Tulsi plant by offering bangles and variety of leaves locally known as patri. Variety of traditional sweet dishes are served as prasad during the meals on every Shravani Sunday. Here are glimpses of first Shravani Sunday. As per a report just in, Goa's former firebrand leader of opposition, Dr. Kashinath Jalmi, passed away in GMC. He breathed his last after brief illness at the age of 63. He was Goa's former health minister too. He was undergoing treatment in GMC's ICU from past 7 to 8 days. Last rites will be performed on Monday. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.